Welding thin metal requires precision, skill, and the right equipment to prevent burn through and ensure strong, clean welds. Selecting the best welding rods for thin metal can make all the difference, whether you are working with automotive parts, sheet metal, or small household projects. This video will highlight 5 top choices for welding rods that are ideal for thin metal applications. Number 1. E6013 Welding Rods. The E6013 welding rod is a versatile and popular choice among professionals and hobbyists alike. Known for its ease of use and ability to create smooth, stable arcs, this electrode is perfect for thin metal work, particularly when working with mild steel. Its soft arc and quick slag removal make it an excellent option for those who want clean welds without too much post-weld cleanup. E6013 is a rutile-based electrode, meaning it works well on both AC and DC power sources, adding to its versatility. This rod is particularly well suited for thin materials such as sheet metal because it allows for lower amperage welding, reducing the risk of burn through. Key features: suitable for both AC and DC power sources. Quick slag removal for efficient post-weld cleaning. Excellent for low amperage welding, perfect for thin metal. Smooth, stable arc that reduces the risk of splattering. Works well with mild steel. Number 2. E7018 Welding Rods. The E7018 welding rod is renowned for its high tensile strength, making it a go-to for more demanding welding jobs. However, its versatility extends to thin metals as well, especially when you're dealing with structural or high-stress projects. The E7018 rod creates welds that are both strong and ductile, ensuring your thin metal work maintains structural integrity. Its low hydrogen coating reduces the chances of cracking or porosity in your welds, which is especially important when working with thin materials. Though it's best used with a DC power source, it can also be utilized with AC, offering flexibility based on your equipment setup. Key features: high tensile strength welds, ideal for structural work. Low hydrogen coating to prevent cracking and porosity. Versatile, works on both AC and DC power sources. Suitable for welding thin, high-stress materials. Produces smooth, strong welds with minimal spatter. Number 3. E3018 Stainless Steel Welding Rods. If you're working with stainless steel and thin metal, the E3018 welding rod is an excellent choice. It's specifically designed for welding 18/8 stainless steels, making it ideal for projects that require corrosion resistance, such as kitchen equipment, chemical containers, or thin sheet metal in harsh environments. The low carbon content in the E3018 prevents carbide precipitation, which helps to preserve the integrity and longevity of your welds. This rod is great for both thin and slightly thicker stainless steel projects, providing reliable, strong welds without excessive heat input. Key features: low carbon content to prevent carbide precipitation. Designed for 18/8 stainless steels, offering excellent corrosion resistance. Ideal for thin stainless steel welding in harsh environments. Compatible with both AC and DC power sources. Produces high-quality welds with minimal heat input, reducing warping. Number 4. E6011 Welding Rods. E6011 welding rods are a fantastic choice when you're dealing with thin, rusted, or painted metals. The deep penetration ability of this rod makes it one of the best options for thin metals that may have surface contaminants, such as outdoor metal structures or automotive repairs. The E6011 rod is known for its versatility in challenging conditions, as it can work with both AC and DC power sources. Its ability to strike and maintain an arc easily makes it a preferred option for overhead or vertical welding, which is often required when working with thin, awkwardly positioned metal sheets. Key features: Excellent for welding through rust, paint, or other contaminants. Suitable for both AC and DC power sources. Deep penetration, ideal for thin metals. Versatile for vertical and overhead welding. Reliable arc stability for consistent welds on thin metal. Number 5. E4043 Aluminum Welding Rods. For those working with thin aluminum sheets, the E4043 welding rod is a must-have. Aluminum can be challenging to weld due to its thermal conductivity and the tendency for thin pieces to warp easily. However, the E4043 rod is designed specifically for aluminum, offering clean, consistent welds with minimal risk of burn through or warping. This rod is commonly used for welding aluminum alloys and cast aluminum, offering great crack resistance and strong, durable joints. It's also forgiving when it comes to low amperage welding, making it suitable for beginners working on thin aluminum materials. Key features. Designed specifically for aluminum welding, ideal for thin sheets. Offers excellent crack resistance and strong joints. Suitable for both low and high amperage settings. Produces clean, consistent welds with minimal spatter. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike working on aluminum. Conclusion. Selecting the right welding rod is crucial when working with thin metal to ensure strong, clean welds without burn through or excessive heat damage. Whether you're dealing with mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, each of the welding rods mentioned here offers unique features that make them well suited for thin metal projects.